Welcome to Think Mastermind 10th Standard Mathematics Relations and Functions. Before watching this video, please subscribe and click on the bell button.
Hello students, welcome to Think Mastermind. Third problem in exercise 1.4, but f is given as roster form. So we have to represent in arrow diagram, table form and graph. Therefore, the set A is given as the first element in order pair, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and second element in order pair that represent as B, that is 2, 3 and 4. Now the mapping, 1 is mapped with 2 and 2 is also mapped with 2, 3 is also mapped with 2, 4 is mapped with 3 and 5 is mapped with 4. So your codomain is equal to range, therefore it is on to function, but it is not one to one function. It is clear. Then the table form, x value, the corresponding y value, the x taken value as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and corresponding y value for 1 is 2 and 2 is also 2, 3 is 2 and corresponding to 4 is 3 and 5 is mapped with 4. So this is table value. Now representation of graph, x-axis, y-axis, x takes value 1 to 5, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The range is 2 to 4, that is we start from 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 1 comma 2 is this point, 1 comma 2, next 2 comma 2, next 3 comma 2, 4 comma 3 and 5 comma 4. This is graphical representation. Fourth problem in exercise 1.4. இங்க என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா, show that f is defined from natural number n to n defined by f of x is to x minus 1 is 1 to 1 but not on 2. So n is set of all natural number, that is இயல் எண்கள் 1, 2, 3, etc. So we have to prove f is 1 to 1 but is not on 2. So இதுக்கு வந்து நம்ம ஒவ்வொரு வேல்யூவா சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணி arrow diagramமோ இல்ல ordered pair வச்சோ கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியாது because n is infinite set. Therefore another method to find the function is 1 to 1. f of x1 is equal to f of x2, அதாவது அதனுடைய image equal-ஆ இருந்தா then corresponding pre-image, அதனுடைய pre-image வந்து equal-ஆ இருக்கும். Then we can say that f is 1 to 1. If f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then x1 is equal to x. Therefore, the function f is 1 to 1. So first we have to take x1 comma x2 is belongs to n. Therefore f of x1 is equal to f of x. Then we have to prove that x1 is equal to x2. So f of x1, f of x defined as 2x minus 1. f of x1 means x replaced by x1, that is 2x1 minus 1, that is equal to 2 times of x2 minus 1. minus 1. So that is -1 in the side on the +1. So -1 cancel ஆயிரும். Next we have 2x1 is equal to 2x2. So 2 cancel ஆயிரும். Therefore x1 is equal to x2. So according to the definition, given function is 1 to 1. So next our question is, it's not on 2. Suppose you have to substitute f of 1, that is f of 1 is 2 times of 1 minus 1, that is 1. F of 2, that is 2 times of 2 minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, 3. So it is increasing function. Similarly, you find f of 3, that is equal to 2 times of 3 minus 1, that is 5. So your range becomes, range is 1 comma 3 comma 5, etc. So R is subset of n. So it is not equal to natural number n, where n is codomain. Therefore, the function is not onto. Fifth problem in exercise 1.4 solution. Here f is defined from n to n and f of m is given as m square plus m plus 3 to show that function f is 1 to 1. It is enough to prove that if f of m1 is equal to f of m2, then m1 is equal to m2. Therefore, f is 1 to 1. So, f of m1 is equal to m2, f of m2, that is m1 square plus m1 plus 3 is equal to m2 square plus m2 plus 3. 3 will be go that side, it is minus 3. So plus 3 minus 3 cancelled, and m1 square plus m1 is equal to m2 square plus m2. Everything take one side, that is m1 squared minus m2 square plus m1 minus m2 is equal to 0. So these two terms consider as m1 squared minus m2 square is m1 minus m2 into m1 plus m2, that is m1 minus m2 into m1 plus m2 into m1 minus m2 is equal to 0. Sorry, here plus. So taking m1 minus m2 is common. Therefore, m1 plus m2 plus 1 is equal to 0. So m1 and m2 belongs to n such that this term is not equal to 0. That is, substituting any value of m1, m2, this value is not equal to 0. Therefore, m1 minus m2 is equal to 0. That implies m1 is equal to m2. Therefore, given function f is 1 to 1. Now we are going to see sixth problem in exercise 1.4. Here f is defined from a to b, where a is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, it is finite set, to b, the b is equal to n, and f of x is defined as the image of x is x cube. So the first question is find the range. In previous question, the domain and codomain are infinite set. So we are proving it is 1 to 1. You're taking the condition f of m1 is equal to f of m2, then m1 is equal to m2. So here the first question, find the range f of x is equal to x cube, that is if x is equal to 1, f of 1 is 1. If x is equal to 2, f of 2 is 2 power cube, that is 8. And x is equal to 3 is f of 3, that is 3 cube equal to 27. X is equal to 4 is f of 4, that is 4 cube, that is 64. Therefore the range is set of all y values such that x comma y, where y belongs to B and x belongs to A. So in order by, you take the y value, that is set of all 1 comma 8 comma 27 comma 64 is the range of the given function. Identify the type of function. So here f of 1, the range is 1 to 64, but codomain is n. Therefore the range R is subset of n. Therefore this function is not onto, but each element has unique and distinct image. Therefore f is 1 to 1.
Hope this video is useful for you. Please subscribe and click on the bell button.